A mean travels 350 km at a speed of 70 km per hour and returns at a speed of 50 km per hour. Find the average speed. Here we have to find the average speed. Since there is a distance which is a same speed for going and coming. Here distance is same. 350 km is distance is same for going and coming. So our formula will be average speed. Average speed formula will be 2 into S1 into S2 by S1 plus S2. This S1 is 70 km and this S2 is 50 km. So put 2 into 70 into 50 by 70 plus 50 equals to 2 into 70 into 50 by 120. Now cancel numerator by denominator, gives us how much? 2 say 60 times and 0 cancel. Now with 2 3 times 2 say 35 times. Therefore 175 by 3 km per hour. So the answer is A. Next.